1, 2, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, left, right, left, right. 1, 2, 1, 2, left, right, 1, 2.
Well, hello. You'll have to forgive me. I can't offer you anything to drink. I can't get out of bed.
Oh, that's all right.
Look.
Hey, what's that? Your graduation photo?
Yes, from junior high school. That's me. You can see my school from here.
Is that the school?
Yeah, that's the school I was supposed to go to.
What's this?
My aunts. They're my friends. I only have a few of them now, but I'll be gathering a whole lot more. Thanks for coming. It's not every day that someone comes by to visit me.
I think you need to get out a little bit more.
I guess so. It's like, I feel like I'm gonna go crazy. Just like a prisoner.
Well, you should get some sleep.
No!
Huh?
I can't fall asleep, I'll die!
What are you talking about? You died a long time ago.
Oh, that's not true.
I'm sorry to be telling you this.
Liar! How dare you say these things to me? You came to punish me, didn't you? I don't care what you do, I'll be okay. I refuse to die!
Oh!
Think about it. You can't win.
I came to relieve your suffering. Don't do this to yourself. Trust me. Trust in my power. Trust me. You died because of your illness. You can sleep in peace now.
Has your mission been accomplished?
Yes.
Oh, strange eyes.
Ah! Hey, you asshole!
That's such a cute little cat.
I found it yesterday. It was lost and wounded.
I thought you were allergic to cats.
I guess, but just don't tell my mom. Achoo!
Thought so. I brought you the notes from today's classes. Here, I hope they help you.
Thanks, Takako. I hate being sick. I just want to get rid of this asthma.
Hey, listen, I've got some bad news. Igami has been missing since last night.
Missing? What? She's gone?
Yeah, she's gone. It's really weird. She just seemed to vanish. But you know that she's not the kind of girl who'd run away. She's so popular and so normal. The whole school was freaking out all day long. I can't believe it. Something terrible must have happened to her. Her parents called the police, filed a missing persons report. It's just horrible.
Oh, could you open the window for him? He needs to go outside.
So, you want to hang out with those alley cats, huh? Okay, so have a good time. Did Koizumi come to see you yet?
Well, no, he hasn't, but that's just him. He's changed a lot since we were kids, you know.
Hey, that's for sure. He's really different.
She treating you really well, huh? Oh, she's wonderful. How's your wound? It's fine.
Good. We're going to have a fight with the evil spirits soon. Something happened? Remember what we were just listening to? The student who's been missing? I'll check out the school tomorrow. I'll come with you, brother. But you still haven't fully recovered. I'm fine. I must protect her.
Meow! Hey, what's up?
Hey, you surprised me!
Looks like you're back in action again, huh?
Yeah, I'm feeling much better.
But if you're not 100%, don't push yourself too hard. Go home and rest.
Hey, you sound like my mom. Good morning. Hey, sleepyhead. What's up with you? You look like you haven't slept in days.
I'm tired and I'm depressed.
What a weirdo. Come on. You should just ignore him.
Hey!
He's really rude.
He's just tired. And really stressed out from all his homework and exams.
That's beside the point. After all you went through, being so sick, that's all he has to say? Your boy Wonder acts like a zombie. Ooh.
Who's that?
Oh, didn't I tell you?
He's coming over.
Didn't I tell you? He's the new transfer student. He's kind of cute, isn't he? His name is Hiroki. What do you think?
Nice.
Oh, I love that hair. So long. So cute. Oh, he's so... Ah!
Hi, I'm Hiroki. Nice to meet you. Bless you.
Hi, I'm Amy Koenji.
My pleasure. Here we go again.
What's wrong, Hiroki? Just steady there like a statue won't give you any answers. Oh, well, I'm not surprised. I guess that a burnout like you can't respond. Now, I heard you were a bright young man, and even the student leader in your old high school. You can be sure if you slack off here, you won't find much sympathy or tolerance. Now then, are there any brain cells active today? Or could it be you burned them all out in your old school?
Oh, man.
What did you say, wise guy?
I'm not trying to be arrogant. It's just that I haven't slept in a couple of nights. And I'm really not interested in jumping through your hoops.
Oh, really?
Hey, man. I'm not some trick pony that you see at the sideshow at the seashore. Cut me some slack, Pops, and let me go home.
See me after class. Now get back to your seat. Today's assignment is a detailed analysis of the concepts we've explored on pages 20 to 23. If you have a problem with that, we'll go up to page 30. Those damn kids will bribe me to drink. Hello, sir.
So, how are things going in class, Mr. Iwata? How's the new transfer student doing?
What can I say? He's more than a little exasperating. It seems that he's resting on his past glory.
Well, now, it's our job to educate and guide even a loser like him. You understand, of course?
I guess so.
Now listen to me. Why don't you give him some kind of different type of challenge? Just don't be so concerned about your popularity.
Well then, I guess you're right. I'll have to try some other tactics.
Brother, I sense a greater evil here. I sense an evil presence. Maybe you're looking in the wrong places. Careful, brother.
So you're a new transfer student, huh?
Hey, faggot, what's up? We beat the shit out of you. Now you just gotta lie there?
Yeah, looks like you got a bloody nose there too, pal.
He must be ADD, you think, huh?
Yeah, and it looks like he's got a ring around the collar.
Oh no! Jerks are picking on him again.
Hey, we We have to do something!
Kotek's queen's to
Back
the rescue.
off!
Yeah, let's split before they both get their periods.
What a pussy. Let's get out of here.
Asshole.
Are you okay? Hiroki! Hey, you left without me. Hey, are you okay? What's going on with you? Oh. Oh. Hiroki.
Hey, you left without me. We were gonna walk home together. What's the matter?
Nothing's wrong. I'm
okay. So let's grab an ice cream. It's on me, and then we can go to the park.
Oh, sure.
I'm never gonna have a real girlfriend. I'm gonna be by myself forever.
You like that new transfer student?
No, that's not true.
Yes, it is. I saw you looking at him. You seem worried. Are you okay?
It's been 3 days since Igami disappeared. Where would she go? Come to think of it, Hiroki was absent today. I hope he's all right.
You know, maybe I should go see if he's okay.
I don't understand you. How can you possibly like such an idiot?
He's been a good friend. It's not like what you think. You know, you just don't understand him. He's going through some hard times. I'm gonna go throw out the trash. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, look at what you've done. You've made such a mess.
Yes, ma'am. I'll clean it up.
Where are you going?
To get the broom.
Do it with your hands.
Huh? What did you say?
Get down on your knees and pick it up with your hands. Do it.
Stop! Stop it!
Hurry up, honey. Come on.
Hey! What do you think you're doing? Even if you are a teacher, that's out of line. Huh?
What's your name? Which class are you in?
I'm in class 1B. My name is Ryoi Kagasaki.
Well now, Mr. Kagazaki, I'd like to see you after school for a little while today. 3:30, room 2B.
Oh, man. What a bitch. Hey, is everything all right?
Yes. Your name is Kagazaki?
Yes, that's right. And Hiroki is my older brother.
I see.
What's up with that bitchy woman? She's got quite an attitude.
She's usually pretty nice. That wasn't like her at all.
Oh, well, I have to see her after school. I hope it isn't suspension. Oh, man, what a drag.
Wait a minute.
Huh?
I just want to thank you.
Oh, hey. It was my pleasure. Don't worry about it.
Oh.
So, tell me, who are you really? Mr. Kagazaki, I checked the class roster, but I couldn't find your name anywhere on it.
I am Ryoi Kagasaki. I am a transfer student.
Answer me now. Who are you?
My manipulation power isn't working. There's something strange about this woman.
Hi, May. Come on, let's get going.
Oh, I just need to get my bag.
We're gonna be late.
Okay. Oh, Kagazaki, met your brother. He seemed nice. He's a great guy.
Well, send him my regards.
Time for a new lesson. Hey. Come on, sweetie. Time for some extracurricular activities with teacher.
Hey! Are you okay in there? Who locked the door?
Oh my God. Thank you, brother. You saved me from quite a romantic encounter. I can't believe that such a beautiful woman turned out to be such a monster.
Every human being is filled with both good and evil energy. Hate and envy. So many negative feelings can build up inside. They can twist their soul, leave nothing but a ravaged and tortured spirit.
Well then, do you think that's the end of it? Are we safe?
I sense a greater evil here.
A greater evil? Huh?
Let's get after her!
Hello? Hello, it's Almi.
Hold on, I'm coming.
Hello?
What's up?
Where's your mother? Is she out?
Yeah,
Huh? Are you alone?
yeah. Come in.
It's been a while since I was over to your place.
I guess so.
It's so dark. Why don't you turn the lights on?
I like the dark.
Come on, it's so depressing. Let's...
Don't touch it.
Oh.
Okay, I'm sorry.
What's wrong with you? You're so tense.
I don't know.
You don't look so good. Come on, what's the matter? Talk to me.
It's just been a bad week. I'll get over it.
Oh, I almost forgot. I made something for you. Look, isn't it cute? What do you think? Here, you can have it.
Thank you.
It's a good luck charm.
You know, I had a crush on this girl. I really liked her, but seems like I was invisible. No matter what I did, I couldn't even get her to look at me. I tried writing her a letter. Tried everything.
Oh, Hiroki, I'm really sorry.
But I thought
I'm sorry. I don't know what to say, but you're just not my type of guy, I guess. I'm sure you'll find someone who wants you.
Not your type.
Besides, I've been seeing someone else. You know what I mean? So don't come around bothering me anymore.
Hiroki, I'm sorry.
Well, that's the story. So you can imagine how hard it was to see her around every day. Sometimes I wish that she would just disappear. You don't want to hear this. You just go home.
Hiroki.
Just go home! I want to be alone. Please.
Oh, Hiroki. I knew your feelings for her. I just wish that it had been me.
Bastards! Be careful. I feel an evil presence is around. The real thing? I don't know. What in God's name is that? Jukokubo. He ate it. Jukokubo, it's been a long time.
So he's the one that spawned that evil spirit.
That was a tasty treat. Come on now. Join me.
Jukokubo, Your evil appetite must come to an end.
How dare you! I trained you as a dark cat, and now you want to usurp my authority! My power is greater than either of you could ever understand!
Brother, are we a match for his power?
We have no choice but to fight him.
You poor fools. You pretend to be so noble and righteous, but you're living in a dream world. Evil is just a balancing factor of life.
You come from the pit of evil and represent legions of darkness. Disappearing and lurking under the shadows of evil. That's the destiny of the dark cats. You enjoy cultivating the evil spirit in humans for your own selfish desire. But now, your reign of terror is over, and the pupil is now the master.
Did you forget what you were taught eons ago? Damn you to hell!
Brother! Oh my god, are you alright?
You and I are blood-sucking beasts. Remember that you are one of us. Your destiny has been sealed.
The powers of righteousness shall not be defeated!
Perhaps you need a little lesson. Damn you, you ignorant fool. You may be his brother, but you'll sure be doomed if you stay with him. You'll bring about dire consequences and imperil our breed.
Your breed? Your breed has brought nothing but death and tragedy!
You fools! I could destroy you both!
Damn you! It won't be that easy.
Dark Cat, strike! You know, I could destroy you both if I wanted. Yet I still have some respect for you, so I just might spare your life.
How nice! The sword, brother! Use the sword!
Here's a lesson for you! That's the sword of the dark cat!
I can't let you have your way. Now you must die.
Yeah, you might have won the battle, but I'm gonna win the war. And you'd better leave the school, otherwise I can't promise you safety. Ta-ta for now!
Brother, are you alright? What can I do?
Brother, take me to the forest.
The forest? What are you talking about? What's in the forest?
Please, the trees will heal me.
What have I done wrong? I'm such a fool.
You're just not my type. Hey, I'm sorry. You just don't do it for me. I'm seeing someone. I'm seeing someone. I'm seeing someone.
Oh, poor little fool. You just got dumb.
Just leave me alone! Get out of my head!
don't you love me like I love you? I know you're hurting, but I'd do anything for you. I'll protect you from those nasty punks. Maybe you're too good for this world. Oh God, I just want to hold you right now.
What are we doing here? What should I be looking for? Give me a clue.
Are you a dark cat too?
What?
I've been waiting for you.
Please, can you help him? He told me to bring him here.
Your brother's hurt badly. He looks very weak. He needs my help. Follow me. Put him there, by that tree. He told me to bring him here.
Okay, now, what's next? How can you possibly heal him in this condition? What are you prepared to do? I don't understand how your power can heal him.
It's not I who shall heal him.
All right, then, who will?
The power of the land and the ocean and the spirit of the forest will heal him.
What? Sounds like the trees are singing. It's beautiful. I've never heard anything like that before. Those voices, I feel like I've heard them somewhere before.
It's the forest singing for his recovery.
The trees are glowing.
Now it's ready to accept him.
Brother!
Brother, Madoji.
Sleep well. Soon the spirits of the trees will heal you.
Please, my dear brother, proceed with caution.
Brother.
Rise and come forth, evil spirits! Use your power and consume all!
This is hilarious.
Yuji! How long you gonna hog the bathroom, boy? Mom's gotta pee.
I know that I'm not as strong as my brother, but I owe it to him to fight this evil power.
You fool, you will have no future in this world if you stay with him.
But where do I begin? Save us. Hey, buddy. I think the playground's closed.
We just dropped by to play some ball.
What do you guys want? Go away. What the hell?
What do you think?
You evil bastards! Yeah! They've morphed into one. Oh, that's not good. Oh, shit! Can't breathe! No! You will not beat me! Damn you! Evil beast, return to darkness!
Brother, the sword. Use the sword.
What's happening to me? Yes! Yeah! And now, your trail of evil has come to an end! Be gone, demon!
Well done, brother. But keep your wits about you and protect the girl. There is danger afoot. Yes, brother. Something ominous is about to happen. It is clear that we haven't seen the last of Jukokubo.
Yes. It's clear he becomes more powerful every day. I can feel his presence nearby.
Don't let down your guard. We must always stay vigilant.
Well, that's all for today, but for the following students, there will be an additional test.
Oh, well, guess it's not your day. That's such a drag.
Wow, I guess I skipped a few too many classes.
Hey, you mind if I walk you home?
What's the matter with you? You're soaking wet. You need an umbrella.
No, I like the rain.
Strange guy. I may treat Hiroki like a prince, but he thinks of her as just a good friend. Still, she can't give up on him. She's so serious all the time. I just can't figure her out. Well, there's sure been a lot of strange things happening lately. I'm not saying that's her fault, but if Aime's feelings are attracting some evil presence, I wonder if someone's stalking her.
Huh?
You know, I've always liked really long black hair, and I love your pointy ears. Oh, well, where'd he go?
If her feelings are attracting the evil presence, I wonder if she's already possessed.
Oh my God, what's going on here? The class! Oh no!
Yes, that's right, my dear. Feel the pain. Suffer!
Hiroki! Let her go, damn it!
Welcome to my happy land of dreams!
You are... Jukokubo! Dark cats unite!
We are on to your plans, Jukokubo.
The pure evil spirit must come alive.
Come on, let's get out of here.
You won't succeed without going through us first.
Now it's the time. You're just an obstacle to my evil plans. Say sayonara to the lords you love so well.
Evil bastard! What the...
It's just so weird.
Hey, no, it's okay. What's that?
See? No matter what I do, I just can't forget her. You know, this unrequited love business is just not for me. Hey, what's the matter? Are you okay? Aime. Hey, come on.
She's such a sweet girl. She thought only of the man she loved. All the time ignoring her own feelings. But evil grew upon those feelings. As her affection grew, so grew the evil energy. She'd even kill someone for that man.
What's going...
She couldn't help it. She had to kill. And her evil tainted her classmates and friends. You saw them a little while ago, didn't you? Answer me.
Aime.
You must be so very happy that she loves you so much.
Please. Huh? No.
Watch this.
This can't be.
I'll show you the love within.
Please save me!
Please don't do this to her. Just stop all this madness now.
I just...
Poor woman, your feelings are wasted on that damn little fool.
No!
Let her out. Your evil spirit is a thing of beauty. Forever!
Quick, brother, he's getting away!
It's the emergence of the primordial evil.
Primordial evil? What do you mean?
It has consumed her. It resides within her.
Huh?
She is no longer the woman you once knew.
Oh my God.
We're too late.
Look. Damn it! Oh, no! Why her? She never hurt anybody!
Evil can find fertile ground in anybody's soul. Even those like her who are pure of heart.
Damn him! This is worse than I thought.
Coward! He must be defeated! Ah! Brother, how can we save her?
She is totally consumed by the forces of evil. She never had a chance. We must sink her into the darkness.
Darkness? She must die to kill the monster?
It's the only way. She's not even human anymore. You understand that?
No!
Save her!
Stop! Don't think about interfering with my game.
Jukokubo, why do you bother with the humans? Why do you enable the evil energies?
Every human being has both good and evil in their spirit, and as long as humans exist, evil will thrive. So why not support it and embrace the darkness within?
Try as you might, you will never win.
Yeah!
Fool! Do you really think you can stop me? Then I invite you to try.
I know we all have a touch of evil, but we have the power to control it. Your own evil energy will defeat you in the end. You'll never win!
Oh, you fool! You are so naive!
Now, demon, you die! too strong. I can't beat it.
My love. No.
You idiot! Get out of here!
Save her. I must.
It's too late. It's an uncontrollable force. We're all gonna die.
Yeah.
Now get out!
Save her, I must.
That sword! Get out while you still can, you fool!
I can't leave you. I won't.
Now, feel the true power of my rage!
Love.
Get out while you still can, you
And now,
fool!
my love, realize that we were meant for each other. And I'm sorry that I let you down. I wish I could have saved you from this horrible fate, but now we will finally be together. For eternity. I'm here.
How could you fall for someone else and forget about me? Don't you know? I'm the one who always loved you all along.
I know.
Always. I just can't take it.
Don't cry. And now, finally, my love, we leave behind our dark pasts. Our destinies have been fulfilled.
You'll never defeat the power of the human spirit. Nor the power of my sword.
Well, you're a fool.
Die, demon!
Brother, finish him now! Attack me! You don't think you've won! I shall live as long as evil exists!
Her soul is saved.
There remain the innocents and our legion of dark cats struggling for eternity.
As always, we shall meet again, Jukokubo.
This certainly has been an enlightening journey. Although I would rather not repeat it. Isn't it strange how the forces of good and evil are so precariously balanced? I've learned so much.
Yes, but that's why we must keep resisting evil and sharing compassion in this human world.
Now, brother, I believe you speak the truth.